Now come to the next term, that is electric potential difference. It is denoted by capital V, and to understand this term, let us consider there is a unit positive charge. Okay, unit positive charge means say a positive charge Q. Okay, consider there is a positive charge plus Q at point A, and there is another point B, and you have to bring this charge from point A to B. Then what will you do? You have to do work, okay, in bringing this charge, this amount of charge from point A to B. Okay, consider you have done the work W, okay, in bringing this charge from A to B. Then the electric potential difference between these 2 points is equal to the electric potential difference V between these 2 points is equal to the amount of work done W divided by the magnitude of charge, that is Q. Okay, so this is the definition of the electric potential difference between any 2 points. Okay, that is, the electric potential difference between any 2 points is the amount of work done in bringing a unit positive charge from one point to another. Okay, so we can write the electric potential difference between any two points is the amount of work done in bringing unit positive charge from one point to another. Okay, so this is the definition of electric potential difference, and this is the mathematical expression, okay, of this statement. And the unit of electric potential difference is the unit of work, that is joule, divided by unit of charge is coulomb. Joule per coulomb is known as volt. Okay, so volt is the unit of electric potential difference. Okay, and this is the definition. Note it down. Children, there is a big role of electric potential difference in current electricity. Why? Because electric potential difference drives the current. Okay, it means the charge will flow from one point to another when there is a potential difference between these 2 points. Okay, so in short, we can say the electric potential difference drives the charges or drives the current. Consider there is a positive plate, positively charged plate, okay, and a negatively charged plate, okay, this plate say A and this is B, okay, and imagine there is a negative charge here, okay, this is negative charge. In which direction this charge will flow? Due to this negative plate, there is a repulsion force, or there is a repulsion. So due to repulsion, this negative charge will move away from this plate, and due to the attraction of this plate, because positive charge and negative charge attract each other, so due to this positive plate there is an attraction, so this negative charge will move towards this plate, positively charged plate, okay. So finally the charge will move in this direction, okay. So you see that to move a charge you need two plates, one is positively charged and other is negatively charged, okay. The positively charged plate is known as the plate at high potential, okay, high potential, and the negatively charged plate is said to be low potential plate, okay. These two plates here creating a potential difference, okay, that drives the charge from one point to another, okay. So this is why the electric potential is important for the current electricity, because electric potential difference drives the charge and hence drives the current, okay.